Hey everybody, Sippy Dog here. This is a mail call I got from Rob's Nerdy Knife. It's from his 12K members celebration. Let me pause this and pull it to the side. I've already cut it open because I have trouble cutting these open anyway. Be right back. I went ahead and threw this. Few of the things out there. There's a lot of stuff. Golden Kazoo. Here's all these stickers, the channel stickers. There's extra all kinds of channel stickers. Survival bracelet. Here's the knife. Some scales for a smaller pivot Demko. There was this, it looks like a gym bag, I believe. And another bag. I'll pause it here and move this stuff so I can show the knife. Okay, 80 20.5. He said these was hard to open. Ooh, ooh, I know what that's. Ooh, I wish my back would do that. That's the original scales to the knife. They came in blue. This was the extra clip. Winch Northwest. Just put all this back in here for now. Oh wow. Fellas, I'm not gonna lie to you, this was one of the knives I've always wanted, just ain't been able to buy. In the blue. 80 20.5 with Rob Nerdy Knife treatment. I thought it'd be heavy. Okay, boys. Whoa. I gotta get used to that. Let me tell you something, boys. I can't believe how light it is. Rob, thank you for the opportunity